Hello everyone, I Dr. Anuj Kumar. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss metal carbine complexes. Metal carbine complexes. In last videos we have discussed metal carbene complexes and I defined four types metal carbines. Fischer carbene, Schrock carbene and heterocyclic metal carbene and uranium carbon carbene. Okay. Today we are going to discuss metal carbine complexes. Metal carbine complexes, these are those complexes which have a triple bond between metal and carbon. Okay, the compound containing triple bond between metal and carbon known as metal carbine complexes. Ln represent the number of ligand, other maybe carbon ligand or other ligand, okay, and R represent is substitution, okay, on carbon. If you look, when carbon attach only one substituent, then it will possess 3 electrons. These 3 electrons may be occupied in different fashion. So on the basis of occupation of orbitals by 3 electrons, we can divide this carbine into 2 parts when two electrons present in only one orbital and one electron occupying in another orbital. This orbital will be sp hybridized orbital, and this is freely pz and py orbital. Okay, and when these two electrons will occupy in only one orbital and this electron will occupy in pz orbital, then this carbine will form Fischer carbine. When this carbine will interact with metal, then obtained carbine will known by Fischer carbine, because Fischer formed this carbine first time. Okay, if you look about the multiplicity of this, because of two electrons present in only one lobe, so the resultant spin is 0, but here is one unpaired electron, so resultant spin is 1/2, and the multiplicity is equal to 2s plus 1 is equals to 2. When you put s value is 1/2, then you will get 2, that is doublet. So this carbine is a doublet carbine. Okay, and here all electrons are unpaired and present in different orbitals. This orbital is sp hybridized and this orbital is py and this orbital is pz orbital. Okay, and this is py orbital. So you can see here all electrons are unpaired and present in different orbitals. So the resultant spin is 3/2 and the multiplicity will be 2 multiplied by 3/2. So we will get 4 value of multiplicity, that is quartet carbine. So this carbine is known as quartet carbine. Okay, now we are going to discuss when this carbine interact with metal, then we will obtain an interesting metal carbine, and this is the chemistry of bonding between doublet carbine and metal. You know, this carbine have 2 electrons in only one lobe, and one lobe is fully empty, and pz orbital occupied by only one electron. And this is the metal where it have one fully empty orbital and 2 other orbitals have some electron density in terms of 1 electrons, okay, or 2 electrons. Okay, so this lone pair, this sp hybridized orbital which occupy 2 electrons, will donate completely 2 electrons in completely empty orbital and will form a sigma bond. Okay, and pz orbital will interact with that d orbital of metal which occupy by 1 electron, and this electron will this is the equal contribution of the orbitals. This is the d pi and this p, and that means p pi interaction. Okay, this d pi and p pi interaction and will formed a pi bond. Okay, this is not pi back bonding, this is not pi back bonding, this is pi back bonding. Okay, this is pi back bonding, this is pi back bonding. Why this is pi back bonding? Because this p orbital is fully empty and this d orbital, this d pi orbital has some electron density, maybe 2, maybe less than 2, then it will transfer some electron density in this. This phenomena is known as pi back bonding, and you know very well that pi back bonding is not a complete bond, pi bond formation, so it is partially bond formation. Okay, so here is 3 bonds, sigma bonds and pi bonds by the equal contribution of d pi orbital and pz orbital, and another bond is pi character bond, in which metal orbital will contribute only with the fully empty orbital of carbon, and this phenomena is known as pi back bonding, and this bond is partially bond and it will generate here triple bond character. Okay, and the bond order of metal carbine in this fashion will less than 3 but greater than 2, because this is complete bond and this is also a complete bond, but this bond is partially bond, so the bond order between metal and carbon here will be greater than 2 but less than 3. Okay, this carbine where when doublet carbene interact with metal, then obtained carbine is known as Fischer carbine. Okay, and in Fischer carbine the bond order between metal and carbon will be greater than 2 but less than 3. Okay, now we are talking about another type of carbine. This is quartet carbine, and when quartet carbine interact with metal, the obtained carbine is known as Schrock, because Schrock form this carbine. Okay, and this is the bonding chemistry of Schrock carbine, where carbon occupy 3 orbitals with 1 electrons, and similarly metals will also occupy d pi orbitals with 1 electron. Okay, with 1 electron, you can see here d orbital occupy with 1 electron, this orbital also have 1 electron, and this orbital will also have 1 electron, and similarly metal have 3 unpaired electron in different orbitals, and when these orbitals interact with these metal or d orbitals interact with carbon p orbital, then they will merge and form sigma bond and pi bond and pi bond. Okay, you can see here this is equal contribution, this is also equal contribution, this is also equal contribution of electrons during the bonding between metal and carbon, so they will form a complete triple bond. First is sigma bond, pi bond, and this one also is pi bond. So the bond order between metal and carbon in this case will be 3. Okay, but in this case the bond order between metal and carbon will be greater than 2 but less than 3. Okay, this type carbine is known as Schrock carbine. So you need to remember that in Schrock carbine, the carbine will be quartet form, and in Fischer carbine the carbine will be doublet carbine. Okay, in mostly properties, mostly we generally study the Fischer carbine only, and this is popular carbine, and this is also known as simple carbine complexes. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the chemical properties of metal carbene and metal carbine and their synthesis. Okay, thank you for watching.